Well, how's everybody doing? It is Tuesday morning. We're just getting ready to bale some straw. My uncle ended up combining some wheat here yesterday, and we're gonna bale the straw. We're buying it from him. So we got Vinny up here with a 4320 in the rakes. He's getting ready to get some windrows raked up here. Junior with me, so Alright, we had one load of bales already leave the field. We've just landed the drone here a little while ago. We're going to run up and weigh that first load of bales and make sure Jason's getting them put away in the right spot. But before we leave the field here, we're going to check a couple of these bales. It's doing the job it's supposed to do. Baling them pretty nice and dense now.
Hot down there yet. Alright. Alright, I'll grab that. Okay. Alright, this is the last one that come out. That's pretty good and tight, so Vinny's just about done baling, or done raking. Jared's going to get done here, and then they got to move on to another piece. So we've got to grab Jared a couple of shear bolts and stuff. We forgot to throw that stuff in the tractor. We're going to run up to the shop, weigh that first load of straw, send Kerr back with some shear bolts and some tools. Alright, we're just getting back to the shop here now, and we're weighing these loads of straw, and I've got Andrew. He's been running the scale. He's the weigh master for today. So got a truck pulling on the scale right now. Andrew's gonna weigh him out here.
See stuff.
Alright, he just told him that he could pull off the scale. I got a couple of tickets printing there. He's got to go ahead and organize his paperwork. We're printing 2 copies, so one for us, one for my uncle. Slams one on the clipboard. Whoops. They throw one in the file folder, right, bud? Yeah. So that's going to do it for this video, folks, and we will catch you at the next one.